Teenage retreat.
Yeah.
It's a space where the guys can hang out. We've got two teenage boys, so they bring their mates and they can hang in here, so it's fine. Away from us.
Yeah. And also that they're safe and under the same roof, so we feel peace of mind when they're here. And also it's a place that they can feel proud to bring their friends, because it's a nice modern space and you know what teenagers are like. So it's a place where they want to bring their friends as well.
We had a couple of quotes, but I liked Matt. He knew when I spoke to him, because I'm in the trade myself, I knew exactly what, he knew his game, he knew his business, so he knew how to do the work, so I was very comfortable with that after, and in an interview if you want to say that, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It was, and it wasn't, you know, we didn't go for the cheapest or the most expensive, it was just seemed to be a fair price. And there was a lot of transparency through the whole process, and you know, it's pretty much a given when you take on a renovation that there's going to be surprises along the way, but we were always kept really well informed of any changes or variations, and we also could keep on top of things with the Builder Trend app. So I felt like we didn't go over budget, we stayed pretty much what we had planned to do.
Yeah, they're all proud. They're proud to bring their mates around now and jump in the spa and play down here, so and watch a movie. So yeah, no, it's achieved the purpose.
Yeah, I think you could probably say it has really been a transformation between what it was before and
There's an area which wasn't used before.
Yeah, and it's already achieving that goal because they're inviting their friends over, so it's already paying for itself because we're actually using this space for the first time. Definitely. Both, in terms of the professional side, which Graham is across more so than me, but also, I did a lot of liaising, and right from the very beginning when I went out kind of hunting for the right fittings and fixtures, they pointed me in the right direction, and then all the way through we had a really good communication process. And that was the other thing. I think the answer to any question, like say if we had a request or a concern or whatever, it was pretty much straight away.
Yeah, no, the guys always picked up their phone when I rang, so it was great. Yeah.